wet.
I think I found whatever you were saying, and I don't know which part it was.
It's like a 3-finger divot.
Nice job.